Hi, I'm an AI talking avatar. Do you want to make videos like that? I can create talking avatar videos and ads for your business. My avatars are realistic and engaging, and they can help you to connect with your customers on a deeper level. Benefits of AI talking avatars. Avatars are more engaging than traditional marketing materials. Avatars can help you to build trust and rapport with your customers. Avatars can help you to increase sales and conversions. How it works. You provide me with your script and voice recording. I create an avatar based on your specifications. I animate the avatar and add your script and voice recording. I deliver the final video to you. Testimonials. Ikram was a pleasure to work with. They were very responsive to my requests, and they went above and beyond to create a video that I was happy with. If you're looking for a way to create engaging and effective marketing materials, then I encourage you to contact me today. Thank you for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.